Good morning. Happy Friday or blessed day today for everyone. I just woke up and I got my coffee and I'm starting to kind of replenish my energy to be able to just focus on the kind of schedule and the kind of commitments that I have. I have a bunch of things to do on my checklist here, and I'm going to see the kind of emails that I got, the kind of messages that I got today. On my inbox for the Facebook. And I'm sitting here on my little tiny desk that is full of dust and full of dirt, trying to catch some breath and see what I have on my schedule for today. Usually for Friday, I leave it open for activities and creativity and a lot of reading because I need to replenish my mind with enough reading to get ready for the next week. Always keep in mind something that even if you're working on something really hard, if you're working in a very difficult kind of environment, you have to work on yourself while you're working for other people. Because working on yourself will secure you a better future and good intellectual skills. These are really important for you to move on and to keep developing. Ask yourself, always ask yourself, are you maintaining your job or are you progressing in your job? That will give you enough intellectual skills to move on, to be open-minded, to think out of the box, to look and see the forest for the trees. It's really important for you to improve yourself, work hard on your skills, and especially English. That is going to secure you a better future. Have a wonderful day today.